On November 6th, voters will be asked to make 3 decisions about building improved facilities to provide new opportunities for students and our community. Among the projects included in the SPS Schools and Facilities Improvement Bond is the replacement of the aging Joe Albi Stadium. Crumbling infrastructure, security considerations, and a capacity many times greater than the need for high school events makes it time to replace Joe Albi with a multi-purpose facility. Additionally, because of its massive size, the existing stadium carries with it a requirement of a proportional parking footprint that makes it impossible to use the property as a future middle school site. Money included in the school bond for a multi-use stadium is not location dependent. Voters will be asked if the stadium should be built on the existing Joe Albi Stadium site or on Public Facilities District land east of the Spokane Veterans Memorial Arena. Albi holds a lifetime of memories, but the stadium, which opened in 1950, has exceeded its useful life. The stadium has significant maintenance needs, failing structures and amenities, supervisory challenges, no lighted parking, and feels empty during events. On-campus stadiums at each of the district's 5 high schools would be significantly more costly to build or improve and maintain. Additionally, there are concerns about neighborhood impacts related to traffic, parking, and lighting. 3 of the schools do not have enough room to meet parking requirements. Community feedback has indicated this is a priority, so stadium parking will continue to be free. Please contact Community Relations at 354-7340 with additional questions or to request a presentation for your group. Remember to vote November 6th.